Yeah, okay, so it hasn't given me the quest yet for heritage. You should get some rest, school, Jaw. You've been through a lot. I do feel a bit sleepy. There's a room in the back you could use. Will you take Golo Jaw there? I will, thank you. The things I would say to Zoralja as a mother would have been instead me thinks. I said, let me thank you. We couldn't have gotten through this without you and yours. Until the others return, yeah, I'd take what rest you can. Well, it isn't over after all. Well, it isn't over yet after all. I could head, bzz, prepare, bzz, otherwise feel free, bzz, the back room. A fuzzy image, you say? Is it still happening? Well, it's an old ward thing. There's bound to be a few hitches. There's nothing to worry about though. We'll have a meeting to discuss our next move in a little while, so until then. Cassia wishes to hold a strategy meeting. Had enough rest, have you? Let's round up everything. Everyone. Alright, so that's for free bird. During your confrontation with Royal Job Bade will come to the tower summit. The problem is the elevator has been locked down due to the state of emergency. We've been working to lift the access restriction, but frankly it's not looking promising. Is there any other way we can get to Zoralja? We believe so. As you know, Solution 9 occupies overheat 9th level. The summit, meanwhile, is at 12th. That's only 3 levels.